Hi everyone, Vicki Peters with the United Country Lifestyle Properties of Maine. Today I am in Winn, Maine in Penobscot County, and today I'm going to show you a affordable cabin. So if you've been looking for something under the $100,000 mark, this could be for you. So this cabin sits on 1.26 acres. It has 200 feet of frontage on the road. It is surveyed, and we'll go ahead and show you the inside of the cabin, and then we'll walk around the property. So when you first walk in, you walk into this 10 by 10 porch area. You do have pine in here. You do have the beams that go across here, and the siding on the cabin has cedar shake siding, and it also has the cedar shake here. And come on in and we'll go into the cabin. So not including the porch area, the cabin itself is 20 by 12. So total square footage is 340 square feet. You also have the beams going across here in the cabin as well. You do have the pine boards inside. This cabin comes fully furnished. It's basically one big room. You do have a wood stove here. Everything does stay. You have an older gas stove here. I'm not sure the year of it, but it works. And there's no sink drain here, so you would have to put a bucket underneath to catch the water. But this looks like a cast iron. Yep, it is cast iron sink here. So there's no septic here. There is an outhouse. And as far as water goes, there is a hand dug well, and I'll show you that later on when we walk around the property. It isn't currently hooked up to the cabin right now, but it could potentially be. So as you can see, they do have a couch here. They do have a queen log frame bed here that stays. So a great little place just to get away from it all. Let's go ahead and go outside and we'll show you the land. So this is the outhouse, and also the current owner stores his wood in here as well. So all of the wood does convey with the property. So there's quite a bit there for the wood stove, or if you want to have a fire outside in the evening. As I mentioned earlier, the property is completely surveyed. So most of the markers include these wooden posts. There is a couple pins in the ground, one up by the road, but for the most part they are marked by these. The property itself has a lot of pine trees. Standing here, I can smell the pine. It smells so good. There's a lot of old growth on this property. We'll go ahead and walk further up to the road. The cabin itself sits back off the road, so you do have privacy. So I'll go ahead and show you by the road. As we walk up the driveway to the road, I just want to point out that there is an older rock wall here. There's some moss growing all over the rock. So it's been here for quite a while, but I just want to point that out. And we'll go ahead and walk around the driveway and talk about the road a little bit more. So we are standing on the Springfield Road right now, and as you can see, you can't even see the cabin from the road. It's tucked down in there. I'd say it's probably, I haven't measured or anything, but I would say off the map roughly 250 feet or so off the road. So this road is a snowmobile trail. It is an ATV trail, so you would have direct access to the trails here. The snowmobile clubhouse for the town of Winn is right down the road along with Dwinell Pond. There's a great trout fishing stream there in the spring, along with another one down the road here. So great hunting, fishing, no G area. Also, it's not plowed during the winter, but if you wanted to plow it, it's about a mile that you would have to plow, or you could ride your snow sled in if you wanted to use it during the winter time. So you get all this for $65,000. So just to recap, 1.26 acres, you have 340 square feet. The taxes are a little over $600 a year, so very minimal for taxes. And if you know anyone looking for a getaway camp in the state of Maine, feel free to share this listing with them. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.